In ancient age, third, land and sea bridges. Sun shines almost uniformly on the landmass near coastal regions, giving equal amount of heat energy. However, the temperature of land rises more rapidly as compared to sea because specific heat capacity of land is much smaller than that of water. Thus, the air above the land becomes hot and light and hence rises up. This results decrease in pressure over land mass, so the colder air starts blowing from sea towards land and thereby setting up sea bridge. Figure shows the corresponding diagram. During night, the land as well as sea water radiate out heat energy. However, the temperature of land decreases more rapidly as compared to sea water due to higher specific heat of water. Thus, at night, the temperature of sea water becomes more than land. The air above sea water becomes warm and light and rises up. The cold air from land takes its place. This setup land bridge is shown in figure. Now let's understand the radiation. Radiation is the process by which heat is transmitted from one place to another without heating and transferring the intervening medium. Now let us start with the properties of thermal radiation. Now let's see the properties of thermal radiation. First, these are electromagnetic waves having wavelength range from 1 micrometer to 100 micrometer. These are also called infrared waves. Second, thermal radiations travel in a straight line with the speed of light. Third, they obey the laws of reflection and refraction like light does. Fourth, they show the phenomenon of interference, diffraction and polarization. Note the important point. The word radiation uses for process and energy both. Let's see the definitions of reflectance, absorbance and transmittance. When thermal radiations falls on a body, they are partly reflected, absorbed and rest get transmitted. Let Q amount of thermal energy is incident on a body. Suppose the part R is reflected, A is absorbed and T is transmitted. Then we can write R plus A plus T equal to Q. Dividing both sides of equation 1 by Q, we have R upon Q plus A upon Q plus T upon Q equal to 1, where R upon Q equal to small r is called reflectance. Capital A upon capital Q equal to small a is called absorbance, and capital T upon capital Q equal to small t is called transmittance. Thus, equation 2 takes the form R plus A plus T equal to 1. For any specific wavelength lambda, we can write R lambda plus A lambda plus T lambda equal to 1. Note the special cases. First, if a body does not transmit the radiation, then T equal to 0. So, R plus A equal to 1. It shows that if R is more, A is less and vice versa, that is good reflectors will be bad absorbers and vice versa. Second, if a body neither reflects nor transmits any radiation, then R equal to 0 and T equal to 0, then A equal to 1. Such a body is called a black body.